Welcome to the Farnell Pro Power Labeling solution. This video gives you an overview of how to work with each of the label types. Let's look first at the laser printable tie-on cable label. As with all the Pro Power range, you don't need any special equipment to print these labels, you just need an ordinary office laser printer. This tie-on cable label can save you a huge amount of time and is easy to prepare, print and apply. You can produce up to 54 tie-on cable labels in around 20 seconds, which is the time it takes to print the sheet via your printer. Having printed the labels, fold the sheet along the perforated lines as shown here and then remove the labels. You can use industry standard cable ties to fix each label to the cable. To illustrate the wrap-round self-laminating cable labels, we're also showing how to copy a job from one label type to another. In this example, we're showing how to produce a wrap-round label with 3 lines. This gives the additional benefit of printing the ident all around the cable. Having copied the information from the previous label, bring it into your new job. The repeat previous build is also helpful for a multi-line job, allowing your information to be repeated quickly and easily. When it comes to removing the labels from the sheet, fold the sheet along the cut lines and then just flick up the labels. Place the label onto the cable and wrap it round. That way your information is printed all around the cable. There's a separate video which gives more information on colour and resistor colour coding. These labels can be used for applications such as labelling sockets and faceplates. Having printed the label sheet, fold the sheet at the cut line and flick up the label, then remove the label and place it on the socket. Of course, always ensure the surface onto which you're fixing the label is dry, clean and free from grease. The software also allows you to build information so that there's more than one column on a label. In this instance, we're demonstrating 2 columns, and you can see that there are 2 sets of numbers on each label. In this example, the label is applied to a faceplate with 2 ports on it. When it comes to 2-part wire markers, the labels are supplied as part of an A4 sheet, so you can produce your wire markers without the need for any special equipment or printers. All you need is an ordinary standard office laser printer. The pre-cut label strips are in the form of a bottle shape. This special shape allows you to put the label through the special clear plastic tubing. You can change the label at any time during your project without having to cut the wire, relabel and then re-terminate it, as well as potentially having to retest the circuit. The change can be done in seconds. At the end of the project, the tail can be cut off for neatness, but it's still possible for you or your client to change the ident if required. Here are the labels in the Pro Power range, together with their part numbers. If you'd like to download the Pro Power software, you can do so from here.